Standard 10, Subject Maths 2, Chapter number 3, Circle. Cyclic quadrilateral. Now let's see concyclic points. The points which lie on the same circle are called concyclic points. Here in this diagram, point A, B, C, D, E are concyclic points. Now let's see about cyclic quadrilateral. Here quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. The definition of the cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral which has all its vertices on a circle is called a cyclic quadrilateral. Let's see the theorem of cyclic quadrilateral, and the statement says the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Here given quadrilateral ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, we have to prove that angle BAD plus angle BCD is equal to 180 degree and angle ABC plus angle ADC is equal to 180 degree. Let's see the proof of the theorem. Here arc BCD is intercepted by the inscribed angle BAD. Therefore, by inscribed angle theorem we can say that angle BAD is half of measure of arc BCD. Now since arc BAD is intercepted by the inscribed angle BCD, therefore again by inscribed angle theorem angle BCD is half of measure of arc BAD. So from equation 1 and 2 we get angle BAD plus angle BCD is half of measure of arc CD plus half of measure of arc BAD. Now take half common, so it will become half of in bracket measure of arc BCD plus measure of arc BAD, which is equal to 360 degree. That means angle BAD plus angle BCD is half of 360, which is equal to 180 degree. And the reasons are, since arc BCD and arc BAD constitute a full circle whose measure is 360 degree. Now again, as the sum of the measure of angle of a quadrilateral is 360 degree, therefore angle ADC plus angle ABC is equal to 360 degree minus in bracket angle BAD plus angle BCD, which is equal to 360 degree minus 180 degree, which is again is equal to 180 degree. Hence the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Let's do one example based on cyclic quadrilateral. Let's see the example. Quadrilateral PQRS is a cyclic where PQ is equal to PS and angle QRS is equal to 80 degree. Find first measure of arc QRS, second measure of arc QPS, third angle PSQ. Now let's see the solution. Since quadrilateral PQRS is a cyclic, therefore the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Therefore measure of arc QRS is equal to 200 degree. Now since measure of angle QRS is equal to 80 degree, this is given, therefore measure of arc QPS is equal to 2 times measure of angle QRS, which is equal to 2 into 80, which is equal to 160 degree by inscribed angle theorem. Now let us consider triangle PQS. In this triangle PQ is equal to PS, this is given. Therefore angle PQS is equal to angle PSQ. since angle opposite to the congruent sides. Let angle PQS is equal to angle PSQ, which is equal to x. Now in triangle PQS, sum of all angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore angle QPS plus angle PQS plus angle PSQ is equal to 180 degree. Therefore by substituting the value, we get 100 degree plus x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 100 plus 2x is equal to 180 degree. Therefore 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. Therefore x is equal to 40 degree. Therefore we can say that angle PSQ is equal to 40 degree. So students, here we have completed the concept of cyclic quadrilateral. Thank you.